Gd270 Invt brand new VFD special for fan and pump strongly debuts. Special for fan and pump, compliant with international VFD standards. New platform, new design. Gd270 series VFD can drive permanent magnet synchronous motors of various energy efficiency levels. It is equipped with up-to-date eco-energy saving control algorithm. With the sleep mode function, it can flexibly adjust or stop the running at night or under very low load. Meanwhile, it is equipped with the bypass function to switch between grid frequency and variable frequency control, lowering energy consumption. Compact book-sized design greatly reduces the difficulty of cabinet design. It integrates the function special for fans and pumps, reducing the difficulty of parameter debugging. New upgrade of control logic helps to control up to 8 pumps at one time. It is configured with 2 sets of PID functions for fan and water pumps. Liquid level control, soft filling of water pipe, dredging, and other functions directly reduce the maintenance workload of the system. Wide input voltage design greatly improves the adaptability to power grid fluctuations. New design of independent air duct ensures long-term stable operation. The core PCB board adopts a high-standard conformal coating process so as to adapt to high temperature, high humidity, dust, and other harsh environments. For special applications of fans and pumps, it provides frost protection, condensation protection, and other protection functions. It supports optional built-in DC reactors and output reactors. Support of multiple mainstream communication protocols. Multiple I/O expansion card and 2 expansion card slots flexibly meet different application needs. The optional LCD keypad supports upload or download for 3 sets of parameters. Gd270 series VFD is positioned in the fan and pump market. Widely used in wastewater treatment, HVAC, municipal water supply, heating, and other industries. Currently, low-carbon environmental protection has become a transformation trend in the industrial field. Invt launched Gd270 series VFD for fan and pump aims at promoting energy conservation and emission reduction of enterprises and promoting the transformation and upgrading of industrial production to meet the diversified functional requirements of VFD.